welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and today I'm going to be sharing another bullet journaling video with you. Today's video is focused on a certain type of page in my bullet journal, which is a cleaning checklist or a cleaning tracker. You can use this type of page as a form of tracking when you're doing certain chores around the house, or as a checklist when you're in the cleaning mood and need inspiration for where to start. I recently moved, which always involves a lot of cleaning, both at the old place and the new place. This made me realize how useful it could be to have a master cleaning list just to reference when I'm either doing day-to-day cleaning or more of a deep clean. I started searching for cleaning checklists for my bullet journal on YouTube and Pinterest, and one that really caught my eye was one by Masha Plans. I've used a lot of her designs and doodles in the page I'm going to be sharing with you today. So if you need some inspiration for staying on top of your cleaning and household chores, then just keep watching. In today's video, I'm using my Leuchtturm 1917 dotted journal, along with my Crayola Super Tips and Tombow brush pens for coloring. And for all the black outlining, I'm using a Sakura Pigma Micron 08 pen along with a Muji 0.38 black pen. I'm starting by writing the word cleaning in bubble letters at the top. I'm now writing tracker underneath in more simple letters. I'm going to be splitting up my cleaning chart into daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and semi-annual tasks, with a box for each category. For my daily tasks, I've written make the bed, load and unload the dishwasher, wipe down kitchen counters, and pick up the living room. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know I usually use a ruler when I'm drawing my lines, but I decided to go freestyle today. For my weekly tasks, I have doing the laundry, particularly all of our clothes, along with sweeping and washing the floors, cleaning the bathroom, and changing the sheets. For my bi-weekly tasks, I have washed the sheets and washed towels. And I know bi-weekly can either mean twice a week or every 2 weeks, but in this situation, I am using it to mean every 2 weeks. For my biannual task, or twice a year, I have turning the mattress. And finally, for my monthly tasks, I have clean out the fridge, clean the microwave, wash the mattress cover, wash the duvet cover, and wash my makeup brushes. And I know you're really supposed to wash your makeup brushes every week, so I probably should have at least put this in the bi-weekly category, but I like to set those realistic expectations. Now for the most fun part of any bullet journal page is the doodles. As I said before, I got the idea for all of these doodles from Masha Plans, so be sure to check out her channel for more bullet journaling inspiration. I'm filling the page with all kinds of different cleaning doodles like a washing machine, broom, dust and dustpan, iron, vacuum. You get the idea. Now to color it all in. I did not plan in advance what colors I was going to use, so I'm just kind of going with whatever strikes my fancy at that moment, and sometimes it looks really good together, and sometimes it's a bit questionable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you create some kind of cleaning checklist or cleaning tracker in your bullet journal, please tag me on Instagram at BujoWithAndrea, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!